We opened our doors for business in London over 40 years ago, and we're still trading on the same values now as we did then. Professional, dedicated, and trusted. We are the MECO Group.
One of the main risks we look at for in the underwriting department when conducting a review of an assured sample representative charter party is that associated with the use of LOIs, letters of indemnity, particularly in relation to delivery of cargo without presentation of the bills of lading. Immediately we send out our guidance notes to the broker or the assured, explaining that that's a commercial risk for which there is no cover available, at least not standard cover. We do, however, acknowledge at the club the use of LOIs is an everyday reality. Our concern stems from the fact very little thought is given by the parties when it comes to giving or issuing an LOI. It's a big danger. The consequences of things going wrong can be catastrophic. Can be equivalent to the value of the cargo, can amount to multi-million dollars of losses. So you have to get it right as an assured. There are all kinds of LOIs. It can be for delivery of cargo without production of the bill of lading, as I said, for discharging the cargo at a port other than that contemplated in the bill of lading, or for compliance with certain operational requests, like ship-to-ship transfer or embarking certain personnel on board, fumigators or surveyors or supercargoes, or for using certain berths exposed to certain weather phenomena like swell. Those LOIs may potentially be enforceable as a matter of English law, unless there's fraud involved, obviously. Indeed, if there's an LOI issued misrepresenting the position, for example, the date of loading, just to comply with a letter of credit, that will not be enforceable. Or an LOI reflecting the condition of the cargo, which is not as stipulated, then obviously, again, that will not be enforceable. So the parties have to get it right because the danger is huge. Unless the LOI is countersigned by a bank, the only insurance available is that piece of paper. How can an assured protect itself? Obviously making sure that the wording of the LOI is as wide as possible, that hasn't got any time bars, that it contains the Contracts Third Party Act 1999, so in order to try to enforce against all the third parties. Obviously that is addressed to as many people as possible, the master, the owners, the charterers, but clearly the message is you accepting an LOI or you're issuing an LOI at your own peril. Club cover is not available. We do, however, at the club are prepared to assist with any wordings to make sure your exposure is limited in as far as possible.